Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nene Agan aka NensBaby, and I'm back again with another video. This time it's a cooking video. I know I said I was going to give you guys Chef Nene back to back, but filming and cooking is very stressful. So today I'm going to be making pap, also known as Akamu, in different parts of Nigeria. I have been craving it for a while actually. Like, custard is nice, but it doesn't ever give you that sourness that makes you crave for more. So I decided to make it. I just went on Google how to make pap and then found out you have to use popping corn. So I soaked this corn for 4 days, maybe 5 days even. I think I soaked it for 5 days. At the end of every 24 hours, I was washing the corn, rinse it, change the water, leave it to soak again. And that's what I kept doing until the 5th day. On the 4th day, I took a bite into it and to check if I could bite into it, like if it was soft enough to blend, because I was going to use my blender. So I did that and it wasn't that soft in my opinion, so I left it for an extra day. And then the next day, I blended it, and according to the tutorial, I was meant to use a cheesecloth to strain it, but I didn't have a cheesecloth, so I substituted with a wig cap. And then I strained it multiple times using generous water. I strained it, and then the chaff I got from the initial strain, I blended it with more water so I could get as much pap as possible from the corn residue. Okay, this is me straining the corn, mixing it with water, straining it into different bowls, and straining. So I strained it, and when I was done, I had to leave it in a bowl so that the pap can settle to the bottom of the bowl. When it settled, I drained out the water, and I was meant to put it in a muslin bag, but I didn't have a muslin bag. I saw online that, wow, it's so noisy, you guys. You don't know how many times I've tried to record this. I saw online that you could use a bandana in the place of a muslin bag, so I did that, and yeah, let it to drain. Alright, love, so I let it to drain for about at least 12 hours. It was draining. Also, leaving it out overnight kind of gives it that fermentation. That's like, it's already fermented because you've been soaking it for a couple of days now, yeah. But leaving it overnight after draining, it gives it that like extra liquid fermentation it needs to pop. I forgot to mention, but I had blended a bit of ginger into this because my mom told me to blend ginger into my pap to give it some pop of flavor. So I did that, and this is me trying out the pap. It's also a word you mentioned that I suck at making pap. Like, let me tell you guys, in Nigeria, I never used to make pap because it will either not form or it will have like chunks of pap in it. But I decided, and I prayed to God that this time it must work. So this is me testing out the pap, and I mixed it first, made a little paste out of it, boiled my water real hot, and here we go. Pap! Akamu! Okay, so in Nigeria we mostly eat this with akara. We eat it with bread. So as you can see, I had mine with akara. I made akara. I should maybe do an akara video soon. Making Nigerian foods in the Caribbean. That's like the tagline for this chef Nene that you guys are getting right now. So I had them with akara, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video, my loves. I hope you are able to make pap from this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, comment, turn on post notifications. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I will see you in a short while in my next video. Bye, love.